Howdy folks, I'm Wes, your craft beer geek here. Got something really extra special tonight, I think. It's a beer I've been looking forward to try for a long time now. And it's finally available here in Florida, and I'm really excited to give it a try. It's Southern Tier's Pumking. It's their pumpkin ale, brewed with real pumpkin in the mash. Being able to see a lot of people try this. I do like pumpkin beers, and Southern Tier is I like some of their beers a lot. Some of their beers not so good. But anyway, just so happens I went to my beer store today and found out that finally it made its way down here to Florida, and just so happened to be wearing an orange shirt today, and don't know if it was good luck or not, but anyway. Got the Southern Tier Pumpkin. This comes in at 9% alcohol by volume. It's a 2-row caramel malt and a 2-row pale malt. And the kettle hops are Magnum and the aroma hops are Sterling. And they do recommend you drink this out of a goblet glass. So we're going to do that. And let's crack this open. I'm really excited to give this a try. 9%, I don't really expect to get too much head on this beer. It's definitely not much head, and it fizzled away fast. It's very clear. Sort of a golden amber color. Let's give it a smell and see what we smell. It's like really like biscuity, malty, but there's also that like a vegetable sort of aroma to it. It's sweet also. It smells a lot like pumpkin pie. I have high expectations for this, so I can't wait any longer. I'm going to give this a try. Oh wow. That's tasty. It's got a medium mouthfeel to it, and up front you get the pumpkin, and you get some malty like the crust, and then the finish is sort of a spiciness that I think just coming from the hops that's giving it like almost like a nutmeg sort of spiciness to it. Alcohol is extremely well hidden in this. It doesn't taste like doesn't give you the impression of 9% at all. I could chug this no problem. Wow. Going into this, I had really high expectations for this beer, and it's living up to them. This is really tasty. And we'll be back for more of this, I think. This beer just tastes like fall. It's so great. it's still it's still in the 90s here in Florida. We're still pretty miserable here, but fall's around the corner and it's got to cool off at some point, and I'm anticipating it. This beer makes me just want it to be a nice, crisp, cool fall evening, even more. To be able to sip on something like this would be lovely. So I think I've done enough to where I'm ready to give this a review. I think it's not going to be too much of a surprise to my viewers that I'm going to go ahead and give this a 10 out of 10. It's by far the best pumpkin ale I've ever had. It's better than Dogfish Heads. It's better than Shipyard. It's better than anything I've had thus far. It's I had very high expectations for it, and it has definitely lived up to those expectations, and I would say surpassed those expectations. It's a wow. It's a wow for me. So, yeah, definitely 10 for 10. 10 out of 10 on this one. So, thanks for watching. I'm Wes, your craft beer geek. I don't drink bad beers, and you shouldn't either. We'll see you next time. Cheers.